All right, in looking at question number 10, it says that you have a pair of similar triangles with corresponding altitudes of 3 and 7. So here's one altitude, the corresponding altitude 7. It says the area, if the area of the smaller triangle is 13.8, what is the area of the larger triangle? Right, in doing this, there's a couple ways you can go about it. The most efficient way on this, you could find what the base is and then use ratio of parts to find the next base. But there's an easier approach to this, and that is anytime you are dealing with similar figures. Okay, so if they specifically say it's similar, like in this problem, if they give you figures that are always similar, such as circles or semicircles will always be similar to each other, or if they give you the pattern of similarity. So remember there were those three similarity patterns for triangles: SSS similarity, SAS similarity, and AA similarity. So any of those, anytime you're dealing with that, you may want to think about the relationship between ratio of parts and ratio of areas. Okay, so that ratio looks like this. If the ratio of parts is designated as m to n, the ratio of their areas will be that ratio squared. So you're just going to square each of those individual parts. Because area is a two-dimensional measurement, so the ratios will be taken to a power of 2. Okay, now, based on the information they provided, what ratio do we know? The ratio of parts or the ratio of their areas? Corresponding altitudes are 3 to 7. And so what does that mean their corresponding areas will have a ratio of? 3 squared to 7 squared, so 9 to 49. So here's your dilation factor for areas. It's either 9 over 49 or 49 over 9. It's going to be one of these dilation factors for the areas. Now, we're moving from a smaller triangle to a larger triangle. So which of these dilation factors will increase the value? 9/49ths or 49/9ths? Here's the one that's going to increase, right? So what we'll do to find the area of this new triangle is we take the original triangle's area, 13.8. We're going to multiply it by the dilation factor that makes it larger, which is the 49 over 9. And so when you calculate that out, you will get your new area here. So if you did this calculation, 13.8 times 49 divided by 9 winds up being 75.13. Okay. And so you don't have to go through and try to find what the corresponding bases are on this. You can just enter your answer here. The units are inches. It's an area, so it's square inches.